Yes, King. So, do you want to buy this car or not? Well, it depends. No, never mind. I'm not letting you buy the car. Like, if you don't want it, you don't want it. Wait, bro. I'm just saying, you know, I don't know. Like, I already have a car for my wife and kids, you know. Not like I have any. Well, you're just an idiot. Okay, fine. I won't sell the car to you. Come on, man. I'm only 15, bro. Fine. I'm going in to get this car. Yeah. Okay! Bro, that car sucks and it sucked anyways. Why is there a plane in the air? What the heck? Bro! Bro, what the heck? Oh my gosh! Ah! Run, Kane! Run! Dot. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, the explosion! Oh my gosh, I gotta get in my car! Oh my gosh, I'm too scared, bro! Dang it! Gotta get out of here! Oh, why is my car moving right now? Oh my gosh, my car! What's wrong with help me! Someone! Oh my gosh! Bro, I'm still playing Fortnite! I'm cranking 90s, bro! Yeah, you're trash, kid! You're trash! Oh my gosh! You stupid idiot! What's wrong with you? Look at the house! I don't care! I'm calling this kid trash, bro! Yeah! Oh my god! See that what happens? I'm playing Fortnite, bro! This kid is trash, bro! You're trash, kid! You're trash! Oh my gosh, I'm so pretty. I'm so pretty. Wow, look how pretty I am. Let me spend another hour doing my hair. Yeah, you're trash, kid! You're absolutely trash! Dinner is so stressful, especially when there are explosions and my son to another kid! You're trash! What happened? Did you do this? Did you do another thing? Did you break it? Did you? Blow my PC! Oh, no, again! And the rest of the time, I'm trying to cook! Oh, come on, bro! Brother, please get out! I have wife and kids! I need to go... Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Like everywhere. Oh god. Let me close the door. No, bro! What's wrong with this house? What's wrong with our family? What is wrong with us at this point? I'm going out to my work, bro. Nothing. What? Oh, come on! Come on! I just want to go to work! You're grounded for the rest of your life! No, I'll cut down to this wall! No, stop! No! I won't be grounded. You ruined my life! You want to play with my friends? There's a protected thing! No, you can go outside and play! But our plane just crashed into our house! What do you mean go outside and play? What, do you have a No, you can't, Mom! Now I'm gonna go buy myself a new PC and jump out. Jump, yeah. Go buy myself a... Oh my gosh. Dad! Dad? Oh my gosh, Dad! No! Oh, you couldn't give me the PC, you disappointment! And who works here, huh? Oh wait, it was you, Dad! Looks like I can get everything for free now. Yeah, I can get a new PC, Dad. Who cares about you? Wait, what happened to the explosion earlier? Still, there was a plane. Let me go towards the explosion where it happened. So, yeah, that where our house was. Okay, let me go, bro. Yeah, like, it's so productive. I'm playing outside. No other plane will come after me. Oh my gosh, bro. That's the plane? So it's actually a plane. Yo, bro! You good? Oh! Help me, bro! Help! I'll give you a new PC! No, bro! No, you won't! I'm gonna throw you off now! Ow! Die! Oh! Loser! You try! Oh, yeah! Like, oh my gosh, I'm so pretty. Oh my gosh, what happened to the thing? Oh my gosh, did it look at me? Well, you're not so pretty now, you ugly pieces. My face! Hey, uncle! I'm having a great time. Oh, what happened? Oh my gosh. I didn't know someone was cooking. Oh, it didn't get me. I should barricade the door, bro. Fire won't get me. No! I need to get in the bathroom. Bathroom never dies. Yeah, yes, king. Yeah. Bathroom never dies. Ah! My face! My leg! My leg still hurt! Oh my gosh, bro! Oh my gosh, bro! Oh my gosh! I'm still alive! Someone help me! What is wrong with this stupid city? No, please! Hey, mister with the hammer! Help me, please! Nah, buddy. You know what I'm gonna do instead? What? I thought you were the name! Money! I'm gonna save you. Thank you for saving me! Thank you so much, I appreciate you. Oh my gosh! Like a oh my gosh, he's that one kid! No, don't run over him! No, I'm just gonna keep driving this truck. Who cares at this point? Oh my gosh! This is so... Oh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh! I need to get out! Oh! I need to get to the hospital! Oh! Guys, I'll see you in part 2! Bye! Yeah!